Creator, make creative easier. So in the previous video, we learned about how to make railing with a fastest and a smartest way. So in this video, we're gonna apply the skills on facade design, how we make repetitive things by utilizing the make unique feature in SketchUp. So let's go. These entire things are breaking to the floor. Okay, let's say maybe this is a kind of like shopping malls or retails or theme park where there's a very fancy kind of facade. Then we can scale the entire things to become a theme of the facade. Alright, but if you want to create some kind of rhythms, some up and down, okay, so how we can do that? Okay, some kind of rhythms. Then this one, okay, I enter this group, and then we have a lot of components here. Okay, the thing is, now if I edit anything inside here, the others will follow as well. Let's say if I open the hole here, okay, so if we want to stop this kind of gang membership things, like we want it to quit this gang. Okay, we want this to quit from this gang, this club. All right. Okay, what we can do is we want it to exit from this component relationship. So we can go to this, select all of the components inside this group. We right click them. That's the thing we can say make unique. Make unique. Okay, unique is the opposite to component. Okay, so when we say make unique, then now this is no longer under control in the same gang box. When I create a hole here, others, okay, here is not affected. Okay, but all in this gang member, they will still have hole between them. They are still, this all is still one gang. I select all of them and make all of them unique together. Okay, so now you learn one more thing is make unique. So it's like I'm a bit like explode, like I'm group lah. Okay, but this is like I'm component. Okay, so we can decide how many things we want to make unique together. What we can do, something like okay, I want to select at the interval of 3, every 3 elements. Okay, we select every 3 elements, every 3rd element. Okay, then we can make a changes. And then we will create some kind of pattern. Every 3rd one, we select them, and then I create make unique. Okay, so make unique. So this selected one, they will become a component themselves, a gang in themselves. They will not affected by these others here. Okay, so what if I change something like I make this higher? Yes, so those one will follow. They are in the same gang already. They came out by themselves already. So let's say the bottom as well. Okay, I use the up arrow key to control it. So now we have a kind of pattern already. So also to its neighbor, every the 3rd members, we also select it. Maybe we can do something from it. Okay, then I make component again. Okay. Yes. Then we can create second variation. Okay, higher than this, but shorter than that one. Maybe. Okay, so here we have 3 variations. Got 3 gang here. Got 3 gang here. Yeah, so this is a kind of facade. Okay, so if you want to and try to find a nice view of it, then you can hit Shift K to close the edges and also the profile line. Go to view, H-star profile, close it, and then you can switch on the shadows. Okay, switch on the shadows.
So it's time to help yourself to become a creative and leading designer. If you are very interested in a friendly and effective learning experience, pick up your phone and WhatsApp us now to join our upcoming intake before the registration deadline. See you in our training.